Tinker versus Des Moines Independent Community School District. Once upon a time in Des Moines, Iowa, there lived a Tinker family. There was John Tinker, who was 15, Mary Beth, who was 13, and two other sons and three other daughters, and their parents, Lorena and Leonard Tinker. The family strongly disagreed with the government's policy in Vietnam. They disagreed so strongly that John, Mary Beth Tinker, and Christopher Eckhart decided to protest against it. Their mother supported them by saying, "My husband and I had not raised John and Mary Beth to be defiant, but we certainly supported our children's right to express their views in governmental policy and fashion that they have chosen," when she was asked how she felt about her kids' actions. So they decided to protest against it by wearing armbands with a peace sign on them. They were also joined by Christopher Eckhart, who was 16 years old and also attended Des Moines Independent Community School District. The school feared that by wearing armbands they would provoke disturbances, so they told them to remove them or be suspended. The Tinker and the Eckharts refused to remove them, so they were suspended. Their parents in turn filed a suit in U.S. District Court, which upheld the decision of Des Moines School Board. A tie vote on the U.S. Court of Appeals in the Eighth Circuit meant that the U.S. District decision continued to stand and forced the Tinkers and Eckharts to appeal the Supreme Court directly. The case was argued before the court on November 12, 1968. The question that faced the court was, does prohibition against the wearing of armbands in public school as a form of symbolic protest violate the First Amendment's freedom of speech protections? I think the record overwhelming shows that the armbands did exactly what they elected from officials and principals foresaw they would, that is, took the students' minds off their classwork and riveted them to thoughts about the highly emotional subject of the Vietnam War. Their decision, there were 7 for the Tinkers and Eckharts and 2 votes against them, so they won the court case. Where are they today? They have written many books based on their cases.